So do you want to be a pro in mobile videography or probably photography? These are 4 tips for you. Number first is understanding your smartphone. Samsung and iPhone, yeah, probably have a Samsung phone, have an iPhone, or maybe vice versa. They all have different camera settings. Understand that. Number three, the lighting. One way you can make your pictures or your videos stand out is with using lights. And you see in the video, you see this kind of GVM, this big light, ring light. You don't have some, what do? You can just use your phone light or let's say some torchlight or something, and it's not going to give you the same output but a similar, even a far better one than using light at all. So this is a simple test of what shooting with light and without light. So you see as and now there's a little lightning at the background. Yes, so you see how the bag is outstanding, but let me turn off the light. You see the difference, even though there is normal light. Yes, so you see that with proper lighting you get outstanding views or photos of your product. So you now see the difference when there's light and there's no light, and also the position of your object with respect to the light. The third one, which is very essential, shooting in what 4K 60 frames per second, because you'll be cropping, you'll be adding some keyframes and other stuff. So I prefer shooting at 4K 60 frames per second, so that no matter how you crop the video, its quality still stays. And number one, which is very, very essential to everyone, is what planning your shots. Don't just start shooting. Okay, I want to shoot a food video, I want to shoot a book video, maybe a vlog. Don't just go, hey, I've turned on my camera, I'm about to shoot. No, plan the shots. Okay, this is coming first. This is doing this. This is after this shot. This is coming. So that one, your work becomes easier, and the workflow becomes very, very easier. So these are the 4 things that I think you should know for the start and become a pro in mobile videography and photography. And one key thing I would like you to take out is your editing software. As a mobile videographer or photographer, you need maybe the best editing software I recommend is CapCut, and I'll come with more videos on how to use CapCut and do more things with CapCut. See you in the next video.